Alright, so I'm going to peel a key off, key hinge and a rubber or a silicone spring cup off of a Dell keyboard, and hope you can see it. Just put the leading edge of your scalpel and pry up, just barely catching the edge of this. There's the key, and it leaves the hinge intact. Now, from the bottom side down towards the space bar, you get a fingernail and just push the spring hinge or the hinge key hinge forward or up towards the top, and then put the edge of your scalpel blade underneath at the top right there, and then do the same thing on the other side and spring it off. There you go. And now they're intact. That's disconnected and everything's intact, so it's right there. It'll make sure you keep the orientation because these things are confusing as can be. And then you just slice this rubber silicone or this silicone spring cup or whatever it's called off the membrane on the keyboard, and we will reverse that process in the next video. So that's all there was.